Hello! When it's getting really cold, I feel like enjoying chocolate, don't you? So today I decided to make Gâteau Chocola, but something different. It's really soft. And it's matcha flavor. The ingredients are butter, sugar, matcha powder, eggs, fresh cream, and of course, white chocolate. First of all, beat the 3 eggs together and slowly add the sugar while whisking. Next, cut the white chocolate. Actually, break them really finely. Put it in the bowl. And double boil it with hot water. When it's half melted, add the butter to melt it together. Finally, add fresh cream. When it's really combined, add the chocolate mix into the beaten egg in several times. And the matcha powder. When you mix it really well, put it into the filtered tin. Then, bake it with 180 Celsius for 20 minutes in the oven. When it's turned out to be nice and brown on top, cover it with a foil. And let it bake again. When it's baked, take it out, leave it until it cools down. And when you shake it, if it makes a wave, this is how it should be. And put it in the refrigerator until it completely gets cold. Sprinkle the powdered sugar. It would be better if you heat the knife before you cut it. Then you can cut it really finely. this is just so special because it's just so soft. So this is gonna melt in your mouth immediately. いただきます。I thought it would be just more and more sweet, but this is just about the right sweetness. This is just unbelievably soft, and you can really feel this deep matcha taste with this white chocolate. I think this is just so great to have it in this season. I simply love it, so I think you would love it too. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye. And I hope you'll have a Merry Christmas.